Okay, so these are all the conversion factor question under length that is in your textbook. Okay, this example 1.5, or I think it's exercise. Yeah, exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5 is at the back of the text of the chapter 1. It's at the back of chapter 1. While this one they are inside the chapters. So example 1.3 say convert 648 kilometer to miles. And this exercise 1.5 is at the back of the textbook. That is the back of chapter 1, the ending. Then example 1.8 is inside the textbook. They said a car travels with a speed of 25 meter per second. They said, what is this speed in miles per what? Per hour. Okay. So let's start with this very first one. Okay, now what they are trying to tell us that they're telling us to convert from mile per seconds to what? Meter per seconds to what? To miles per hour. How are we going to do it? They're telling us to convert from meter to miles. Then so let's analyze this carefully. They say we should convert from meter to miles, then from seconds to what? To hour. Okay? Now, it's very easy. At first, let's use okay, at first I told you guys that 1 mile is equals to what? 1,610 meter. Okay, so we are using this. Okay, yes, we are using this. Remember, let's first convert miles from meter to miles, then convert from seconds to hour, then we divide, we get our answer. Okay, so let's start now. We all know that 1 mile is equals to 1,610 meter. Now, if we are going to use as constant, if 1 mile is equals to 1,610 meter, then an s miles will be equals to what? Will be equals to what? 25 meter. Okay, so we need to look when we if you look at this, this one is made up of two quantity: distance or length, then time. Meter is in length, is for length, time is for seconds. So when we need to first look for meter first, we need to first convert from meter to miles. Once we have converted that one, then let's say we convert meter to miles to be 2, for example. Then we convert seconds to hour to be 3, for example. We will divide them, get the final answer. Okay, yes, we need to first convert from meter to miles, we keep our answer. Convert from seconds to hour, we keep our answer, then divide it. Because why? Velocity is what? Distance or displacement over time. So let's just continue. So if 1 mile is equals to 1,610 minutes, meter, then an s mile is equals to 25 meters. So let's look for the miles. Let's convert it. So 1 times 25 will give us 25. Then then equals to s times one system to give us one system s. So if you divide both sides by one system, it will be 25 going to one system. Everything will now be equal to what? Okay, I'm coming. Let me kind of calculator. Okay, I'm really sorry. Okay, now let me use this calculator now. All right, I'm coming. Okay, so 25 going to 1,000 system. Okay, 25 divide 1,000 system. So our answer is what? Our answer is s is equals to what? 0.0155 miles. Yeah, 55 miles. So they are what? The switch convert 25 meter to what? To miles. So they are 0.01155 miles in what? In 25 meter. I don't know if you understand. So I've converted 25 meter to miles. And our answer is what? Our answer is 0.0155 miles. Okay. Now what are we going to do next? Let's convert seconds to what? Hour. Remember this one, look at it, 25 meter then over seconds. That is what is here. So we have converted our 25 meter to be what? To miles. Then we have to convert what? 1 seconds to what? To hour. I don't know if you understand. 25 meter per seconds. It means that we are 25 meter is divided by what? 1 seconds. That is what it means. So we have converted 25 meter to miles already. Now we have to convert 1 seconds to what? To hour. I don't know if you understand. Once we get this, once we get the hour, we'll then divide it with this. I don't know if you get. So let's continue. Okay. So let's convert 1 seconds to let's convert 1 seconds to hour. All right. So 1 seconds to hour. Let's convert 1 seconds to hour. Now, we are converting seconds to hour. We have already converted 25 meter to miles already. So we converted 25 meter to be 0.0155 miles. Now we have to convert seconds, 1 seconds to hour. So I told you guys that 3,000, if you look at the previous video, 3,600 seconds is equal to what? 1 hour. So they say we convert 1 seconds to what? To hour. Then 1 seconds will be equals to what? An S hour. Okay, so if you cross multiply 1 times 1 will still give us 1. S times 3,600 will give us 3,600 S. Divide both sides by 3,600. We have what? We have 1 going to 3,600. 1 going to 3,600. So our answer is 0.0000278 hours. Okay, so we have converted 1 second to hour. So our 1 hours, we have converted 1 second to 1 hour to be what? To be this. Then we have converted 25. We have converted 1 second to hour to be this. Then we have converted 25 meter to miles to be this. So as we have finally gotten our answer, we need to divide the two. We divide because I look, the switch look for miles per hour. We need to divide these two together. So dividing miles over hour, 0.0155 miles, then divide by 0.000278 hour. Divide it, we have what? Dividing everything, we have 0.0155, then divide by 0.000278. So our answer is 55.76 mile per hour. So yes. Okay, so that is our final answer. Okay, so that's our final answer. So if that's so 25 meter per seconds, if convert it to hours, we get what? We have this. We have 55.76 meter per hour. Okay,